Today I am going to explain about the intermediate operations of Java 8. Before the intermediate operations I have also created about the terminal operations. You can check it through this top right corner I button which is shown right now. So intermediate operations are of the Stream API, and these are the functions of the intermediate operations: filter map, flat map, distinct sorted, peak, limit and skip. All these functions we are going to see, and we are going to cover in just one tutorial, that is this tutorial only. So let's start with the first one, that is filter. I am going to create a list of integer using arrays.addList. So I am going to get integer in place of string, and I am going to pass 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 elements are provided in this list, and I am going to call the stream function of this list, and I am going to call the filter which we want to see. So filter basically filters out the element on the basis of certain criteria. Like we are going to see that whether a number is divisible by 2 or not using percent equals 0. So it will give the number which is divisible by 2 only, and we are going to print the data using terminal operation, that is for each. So let me just show you the result, that whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. So for that, let me run this program. Let me right click this, run as Java application, because we have created a Java application. See, only 2 and 4 came because 2 and 4 are only divisible by 2. So this is about the filtering out of data using filter. Now I am going to explain about the map. So let me provide here an extra map function, and in this map I am going to map the elements in some other form. Map is used for this only, to mapping one form of the element into another form and getting the data. So I am not only just printing the element, but I am just going to print the element with comma, that is, it is being transformed from the element plus comma. So when I will just run this program, see, it was 2, 4, now it is 2 comma and 4 comma. It is transformed to element plus comma. And now I am going to tell you about the flat map. Flat map not only transforms the element, but it also uses a Stream API to change the elements data or to fetch the elements data also. Let me show you. For that I am going to change this integer to string, and list of string we will take, and we can provide the elements as a and 3 times b. Let me provide 3 times b, and let me provide 4 times c. And in place of this filter I am going to provide flat map, and not the map but the flat map. And in this flat map I am not only getting the element but also filtering out the elements data. So I am going to use the stream of that element to change the data. So stream of java.util package, and I am going to suppose let's get the characters of that element, that is string. So I am going to get the char at index 1 of the string which is inside the list. So this is what the flat map does. Not only gets the element but also checks whatever you want to get that element's data, and goes inside that element and do some transformation of that. So like I can show you right now, A, B, 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 C and C, D are the elements. So it will print B, C and D, that is the elements at character at the place 1. Now I am going to print at 0th index, so it print A, B and C. This is about the flat map, that is changing the elements data using string. So this was about the map and the flat map. Now I am going to tell you about distinct. Distinct is nothing but it going to print the distinct data. Not the duplicate data will not be printed, only the distinct data will be printed. Like I can show you that AB are 2 times, but only 1 time AB will be printed. See, AB and CD came. 2 ABs are not there because we are using distinct function. And sorted, as the name suggests, it only sorts the data. I can show you BB, AB, CD are there, but AB will come first because it is sorted. CAB came first, then BB and CD. To be more precise, let me. Now it's okay. Now let's go to the peak. Peak, what it does similar thing as for each, but with some terminal operation. It won't perform on its own. It will require some terminal operation. Like I can show you, when I will just hit run, nothing will be printed, but I will require some terminal operation to print data or do certain peek thing. So now if I am going to find first, then it will peek and print the data out. See, it went there and found the first element as BB and it is printing BB in the console. This is about the peek, and limit is to limit the entries of the stream. Like I can show you here, in the place of sorted I will put limit, there is limit, and let's take some number of elements like 2, and when I will run, see, 2 elements came, BB and AB. BB is the first and AB is the second. Now when I'll do limit 1, only the first element got printed. So limit is about, as the name suggests, to limiting the number of entries. Skip is to skip a number of elements. How many number of elements you want to skip, you can provide in the script. Like I'm showing here 1, so I've skipped the first one. AB and CD are coming, just opposite to the limit. And if I'm going to skip 2, then 2 elements will be skipped, only CD will come. See, only CD came. So this was about the intermediate operations. You can also check out the terminal operations, which is showing right now in the end screen. And these two are the main things of the Stream API, that is intermediate and terminal operations. Thank you all for watching the video.